I am the soul in all. You show your worth by what you seek. Our greatest strength lies in the gentleness and tenderness of our heart. Maybe you are searching in the branches what only appears in the roots. Don't plant anything but love. Don't sit and wait. Get out there. Feel the life. Touch the sun and immerse in sea. Yesterday is gone. Today we must live a fresh story again. Peaceful is the one who is not concerned with having more or less, unbound by name and fame. He is free from sorrow, from the world, and mostly from himself. Live in silence. Love is the sea where intellect drowns. Do you pay a regular visit to yourself? Start now. It is love that holds everything together, and it is everything also. Nothing in the world is as precious as a genuine smile, especially from a child. Life is our greatest gift. Become nothing, and He will turn you into everything. Step out of the circle of time and into the circle of love. Out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing, there is a field. I will meet you there. Everything in the universe is within you. Ask all from yourself. My soul is from elsewhere, and I am sure of that, and I intend to end up there. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. Grief can be the garden of compassion. If you keep your heart open through everything, your pain can become your greatest ally in your life's search for love and wisdom. There is a force within that gives you life. Seek that. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond.